Hello friends, this is Instructor Arif. I'm going to present you the inspection of the coupling devices. In a coupling devices, there are three questions: fasteners, locking mechanism, and the movement of the fifth wheel. But in this video, I'm going to present you the inspection of fasteners. All the fasteners are present. They are tight and secure. Handle is in, locking bolt is in. Now I'm going to the other side to check the other fasteners. All the fasteners are present on this side. They are tight and secure. After this, you have to read the schedule. And according to schedule 1, coupler or mounting has loose or missing fasteners. The minor defect, I will inform operator, write in inspection report, and I will drive. And there's no major defect to this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.